Hello everyone, welcome to our second video. Here we are going to discuss about the parent module. This is the landing page of our vidya.key.in. This is the ERP application having one student, one account. We can come to the login page of the parent on click of the parent link. For the new members, they need to sign up. They have to enter the account number or the mobile number. They will receive the OTP in their registered number. They can, if they are having the account number but forgot their password, they can come from here. The same way, they have to enter the mobile number and they will receive the OTP for in their registered mobile number to change their password. If they are issuing any kind of, if they are facing any kind of issue, they can report the problem from this link: name, mobile number, email ID, heading, description, and they can submit the form. Our Key Technologies Private Limited developer will get the email and they will resolve the problem as soon as possible. So here I am going to log in with my existing account number and my password. Once login, it will land to the dashboard. The dashboard is having the name of the students associated with the login person. Here is a quick view of the upcoming exams and the events. If this parent is having more than one kid, the list will come here one by one, and similarly the names will come here, and on click of the names, the full details will come. The parent can edit the profile of the kid. They can change whatever the things they want to change. They can choose their profile pic and they can update it. Coming to the educational part, the parent can view the daily attendance of their student, the timetable. They can view the upcoming exams, results, homework, class notes, offline video tutorials, circulars, and the fees. The parent can apply leaves on behalf of their kid. From this apply leave, parent need to select the leave type, title, description. They can select or change the staff. By default, the class teacher will be selected. They have to enter the start date of the leave and the end date, and they will submit. The list will come here one by one. To see the full details of the leave, they have to click and this page will come, and they can check it from here, the status of the leaves. The parent can view their details from here. The list of the parents associated with the kid will come here. They can add more parents if they want. They need to enter the Aadhaar number or the account number, and they need to select all the fields and the relationship type, mother or guardian, and submit it. Once they submit it, it will be added here. So now coming to this educational details, to view the daily attendance, click on this. It will clearly mention in which day the kid is present and on which day he is absent. If attendance is not taken in any particular day, it will remain blank like this. The parent can navigate from one month to another, clicking on this arrow. To view the timetable, click this timetable. The They can view the full week timetable, the periods, timings, subject and the class teacher. And if the school is providing any online class, the link of the online class will come here just below the staff name. To view the upcoming exams, click on the upcoming exams and the list of the exams will come with date and time. To view the results, click here. The class will be shown here and the exams have already completed and the results are published. It will come here. This is the marks obtained, this is the full marks and the status of the exam result, pass or fail. The parent can track the homework details from this link. Here the parent can view the homeworks given by the school to the kid. They can view the completed homework. If any of the homework is completed, the list will come here, and from here the pending homeworks. To view the class notes provided by the school, click on the notes. It will give the list of the notes given by the school and a download link. On click of download, it will open in the new tab and you can just simply download it from here and save it. If the parent want to view the class notes of the previous classes of their kid, they can click it from there, that view previous class notes, and they need to select the classes. If this student is already have the class in the institutes where they are using this ERP application, then this list will come here, the class list. Click on the class list, the subjects will come, and on click of subject, the list of the notes will come. To view the offline videos uploaded by this institute, click on the video tutorials. The subjects will come here, and for the subjects, the videos will come here. They can directly view the videos from clicking on this one. They can change the subject. The list will come like this. They can view accordingly any videos they want. They can view the circulars given by the schools, like clicking on the circulars. To view, click here. Here is the full details of the circular, heading, description. If any attachment is provided, the link will come here and the created on. To track the fee details, click on the fees. The fee details will come here. Here the fee history will come. All the fees are paid. This is the previous history. So going back in the student profile page, these are the things which a parent can have to have a good look on their kid. They can manage it from here. So this is all. Yeah, one more thing, parent can go to their my profile section and they can edit their own profile. They can change the mobile number or any other details if they want. They can upload their profile picture and update. Once it's updated, the changes will come here. The parent can report problem if they are facing any type of issues or problems inside this ERP application. This is all for the parent login. Thank you. In the next video we will go for the faculty module. Thank you.